Hi, this is Bill at Ask Bill Conrad, and what we're going to do today, is we're going to show you how to use the Food Saver. We're going to show you how to use the Food Saver. So with the Food Saver, what we're going to do is we're going to open it up. There'll be a roll in here, and the smooth side will be down, and the perforated side will be up. Pull it out second. So we're going to pull it out. I've already pre-measured to the edge here how much I want, and then we're going to go lock it down. We're going to go ahead and seal it. We're going to hit seal. Can't seal. Can't seal. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to open it. We're going to pull it out past the seal. Just past it. There's a line down here to cut it. Just past it. Cut it. And you see we have a nice seal right here, and we made a package. So, leaving the smooth side down, we're going to open it up. We're going to put some meat in here today, leaving the smooth side down. One, got these pork chops here, lots of pork chops. In here. There's another trick you can do too. You shouldn't need these on these because they're not wet, but if it was wet, you fold something up like this. You stick it right here. Right here, but we don't really need to do this. We're going to leave the smooth side down, and stick it in here, stick it in this part. Clamp it down, and then we're going to hit vacuum. Now it's sealing. As you can see, it's sealing. It's done with the vacuuming. Okay, it's all done, so it's sealed. It's vacuum. Put this up. Now, normally I'd want the paper up here. I don't want it touching the meat because when it freezes, it's going to dry this out here. So when it freezes, it makes it tough. So I'll probably just put this in the refrigerator for now, cook it a little bit later this week. Let's do another one. Now, I've already cut one. I did this earlier. But remember, the smooth side goes down. This is the smooth side. It's going to go down like this. Some big pork chops. By the way, I'll show you what it's seasoned with. Okay. My dog's hearing the noise. You're going to smooth side down. This goes in like this. So I put a little seasoning on ahead of time. Basically pepper and this butter steakhouse. It's fish and taste. Wait for the seal here. There it is, the seal. It's good. So put that in the freezer. It wasn't wet, so we're not going to have to put a piece of paper towel. And that's it. Well, thank you for tuning in to Ask Bill Conrad. And that's how you do it. This is just a test to see what it would have looked like if I just used the regular camera.
If you could, please come right here and go to Ask Bill Conrad and subscribe. Right here. It should be right about there. Appreciate you tuning in today. If you have any more questions, please leave them down below on YouTube. And hope this helped. Take care. Till next time. Be safe. Check into AskBillConrad.com.